Hi guys, it's Andre from Conveyor of Randomness here. Today I'll be looking at this kitty. No, not this one, but this one. The Rode Videomic Me. Roll the intro. This is the Rode Videomic Me. The microphone itself comes with a 3.5mm jack that fits directly into a smartphone or any device with a headphone jack. I know what some of you are thinking, my phone doesn't have a 3.5mm jack, but you don't need to worry. You can actually buy adapters which fit either USB or Lightning ports that allow you to seamlessly use this without any interruption. I myself had a Samsung Galaxy S8 with a headphone jack, and now I've transferred over to an iPhone 11 without a headphone jack, but I myself purchased an adapter and workflows stayed the same. Perfect. On the back of the device, there's another 3.5mm jack that allows you to plug in your earphones or headphones while you're actually recording, so you can, depending on the app that you use, hear yourself back, so you're not having to plug and unplug your device every time you want to play back what you've recorded. An adjustable mount that allows the microphone to be clamped onto almost any smartphone and give you that added security cushion that it's not going to fall off the phone. A fairy windshield, or dead kitten as some people like to call it. Don't use that term in a cat sanctuary though. This basically reduces any wind noise in adverse weather conditions, which allows you to speak into the camera without any interference at all. A few months ago, I decided to hike up Mount Snowdon and use it as a perfect opportunity to test out the Videomic Me. From the following clips, you can really hear the difference between with and without using the microphone. Finally, the halfway point up to Snowdon is behind us, thankfully. Never been so glad to see the halfway house. There, the distance slightly. I'm going to do a demo with and without the microphone on a Samsung Galaxy S9. This is me using the Rode video microphone on a Samsung Galaxy S9. This is me using the microphone on a Samsung Galaxy S9 without the Rode Videomic Me. In my experiences, this is a great microphone. I watched many YouTube reviews on microphones and generally this was always the best recommended at such a great price. Smartphone microphones are getting really good these days, but if you want to take it to the next level, I highly recommend the Rode Videomic Me or the Meow, another kitten phone, if you've got an iPhone. I'll put the link in the description below. If you liked my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And if there's any other budget tech that you want me to review in the future, please comment below. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!